Oh, hello, dear friend. I didn't see you there. I'm Professor Stevenson, and I'm delighted to... Well, someone has the giggles. What is it? Oh my, how long has that been there? I'm so glad you're here because I was just learning about another prophet and king. So far, we've learned about Saul, the first king of Israel, and David, a boy God chose to be king. Well, guess what? He did grow up to be king. King David did make some mistakes, but he followed many of God's plans and was a good leader for the Israelites. Then, David had a son named Solomon. When Solomon grew up, he became a king who was known for... I know I put it somewhere. Now, where? Aha! King Solomon is remembered because he helped build a very special building. He decided that he wanted to build God a temple where people could come and worship God. He knew that God didn't need a house. God is bigger than any house. But Solomon built one anyway because God promised to spend time with his people in the temple. When you spend time with God, you're in his presence. When the temple was built, Solomon called all the people together for a ceremony. It was kind of like a big party. Solomon prayed for the temple and blessed the people, and the presence of God filled the temple. God dwelled with his people there in the temple. Dwelled means his presence was with them. Now, you might be asking, where do you need to go to have God's presence with you? Do you and I need to go to a temple to have God's presence with us? That's the best part. When Jesus died and rose again, God sent the Holy Spirit so that anyone who believes in Jesus can always have God's presence. God dwells with his people.